Yes, hello. I was wondering if you have any heavy goods engines. Ah, perfect. What's his class? Ah, I see. How much? What is he saying? Thank you. When will he arrive? Okay, thank you, sir. I'll be looking forward for my new heavy goods engine. What? New heavy goods engine? Does that man think I'm not good enough to pull any train? No. I will prove it wrong. I'll show him he's just wasting money. Was that done? Bother. I was going to tell him that he was getting some help. Oh well.
Did you say it was more passengers every day?
Now you mentioned it, the crowd is getting bigger every week.
I wonder why that is. Maybe Mr. Nelson has put out advertisements for the railway. Oh no. What in hell? How many trucks is he pulling?
I'm not sure, but it looks like he's going to burst soon.
I'll let Mr. Nelson know.
How much trucks does this one train need?
I don't know, that's why I'm trying to count.
And I had to shut more for Dan. But, however, there's something going on about him.
What do you mean?
Well, there's...
Sorry to interrupt your conversation, but this is important.
Oh, no worries, sir. By the way, Scott, your goods is done. You can go now.
Okay, thanks. Well, talk to you later. See ya.
So, sir, what's up?
Well, as you can tell, that a lot of goods trains are getting bigger, longer, and heavier every day.
Yeah, and the others were struggling to keep up.
Indeed. However, hopefully I had decided that a new engine would be better for this.
So, you're getting a new engine, sir?
Yes, Adrian. And a heavy goods engine for a fact. With his or her strength, they'll help with the heavy workload.
That would be great. That'll put the engines at ease. When will it arrive?
In a few weeks. But other than that, you all try your hardest to keep schedule.
We will, sir.
That's a good engine. Make sure the others hears about this.
Yes, sir.
A hard worker, he is. A hard worker.
Dadgum, new engine sounds fun.
And with his or her strength, it will be great help.
More like a waste of space and money.
Now wait just a minute.
No, you listen here. I have no problems with any train. I could do my work just fine.
Is that so? And why did it look like you were struggling?
That's because I wasn't steaming properly.
But Dan, don't you think some help would be nice?
You stay out of this, you dumb express engine!
Hey, what was that for?
She was being nosy.
But she was...
Just shut up, you all. We don't need help. I don't need help. That's that. Now, I'm going to sleep. Good night.
What the hell was that?
I honestly don't know.
Hey, Lexi. It's okay.
He didn't have to be rude and loud.
Aw, poor engine.
Hey, let's try to forget about this. Besides, from what I learned from engines like Dan, they'll soon learn a lesson.
Well, it can't happen soon enough.
Okay. Looks like Zach isn't here this time. That's good.
Ah, you're back on time. Now you can get a drink and head back in a few minutes.
Fine. Huh? Excuse me, sir, but what's that train doing over there?
Oh, that's for the new engine. He'll be taking it back to the big station.
Wait, if that's not mine, then where's my train?
You don't have one of... Now we can't say it's just lightweight.
Oh, so Mr. Nelson thinks I can't do much, huh? Well, he's wrong. Actually, there's a change of plans. The new engine is going to stop here and rest for his long journey while I take this train back to the station.
Really? But I wasn't informed about that.
Well, it's an, quick change just now.
Well, the engine is coming from a far place, and it will take a while for him to get here. I suppose you can take it.
I'm on it.
Oh, goodness me. Why is he so excited?
Who's this small green bean? We're meant for a big and strong engine, not a weak one. What happened to the new guy?
Oh, shut up, you. Plus, I'm your engine for today.
That's a lie. You're... Ow! What the hell?
Shut your mouth, or I'll break it into pieces. Yeah, I thought not. Now, let's get going.
Wait! We won't go.
What did I just say?
Okay, that's done now. Time to...
Hey, Mr. Nelson just informed us about the new engine. He'll be arriving in a few minutes to pick up the train.
New engine? But Dan said he'll pick it up.
Oh no, he didn't.
I'll let Mr. Nelson know.
I told her I don't need help. I can do this easily.
Can't believe he did that to us, threatening us like we're kids. Let's teach him a lesson, shall we?
Okay, up the hill we go.
Hold back!
Oh! Hey! So, you want a challenge, do you? Oh!
Come on, Dan. Yeah, get a move on. You can go faster than this.
Oh! I'll go fast, alright. Jeez! See? I told you I could make it. Better luck next time.
Now! On!
Hey! Wait. Oh crap. No. Wait. No. Stop! What are you doing?
You said you'll go faster. Your wish is our command.
What? No, that's not what I meant. No, please stop.
Faster!
Oh God, too fast. I don't want to go fast. No! Stop, please!
One donation.
I'm gonna hit!
Holy, Darren, you alright? Dan? Dan?
Oh, shoot, he's had it. I'll have to alert the big man.
And you're saying he's not responding to anything?
Yes, sir. He looks like he's having a flashback of something.
Maybe so. But how are you planning on getting him back on the rails?
But that's the thing, we can't just lift him up because he's nearly off the edge of the cliff, and if we tried, he'll fall off and take the cranes with him.
So you're saying that with enough strength from behind the train, you could pull him back onto the rails?
It's risky, but there's a chance it'll work.
That's another thing. The other engines on this side are not strong enough to keep the train steady, and the only one who could do it is Lexi. But she's at the other side of the railway, and that cliffhanger looks like it'll give way. Wait, sir, what about that new engine? He's probably at the end of the line waiting. Maybe. If he's quick enough, he'll be able to pull Dan out. Good thinking, Adrian. Thanks, sir.
Okay then, now you listen here. Not only did you just steal a goods train from another engine, but you've been rude and cocky to us, especially to Lexi. Now look at you, about to die, and it's all on you. What do you have to say?
Fire.
Fire? What are you even saying?
Adrian, can you come here, please?
I'll deal with you later. Yes, sir?
Go on the front of the train. You'll be helping the engine by pulling Dan out.
Okay, sir. By the way, who is he? And what is his class?
Oh, his name is... Well, see for yourself.
Oh, he's the biggest engine I've ever seen.
You called me, sir?
Indeed, you are to help Adrian and the workmen to pull Dan out from the cliff and back onto the rails.
Humph. Sounds easy.
Oh, hi. I'm Adrian.
Humph.
You okay?
Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, heave! Well done, everyone.
Wow, Levy, you really are strong.
Huh.
Oh,
Now, Dan, don't you think about forgetting about what you've done for the past weeks. I've been hearing about some complaints, not only from the workers, but by the engines themselves. Now, you'll be sent to the works to be checked over. While you're there, you should be thinking about what you were even thinking. Yes, sir. Now, Mater, take him to the works.
Yes, sir.
Now, Levi, I know it's late, but could you make up for lost time?
Oh, yes, sir.
Why did he respond to Mr. Nelson, but not me?
How is he?
Well, he was silent during the trip, and that's just it.
That's what he gets for being mean.
Mater, you did say, while being on the edge of the cliff, he was having some flashback.
That's what I saw.
And he did say the word fire.
Fire? Why would he say that?
Not sure.
Engines, may I have your attention, please? I have some good news and not so happy news. As you are aware, Dan is at the works being repaired at the moment.
Yeah, he deserved it.
However, with him out of action, most of you will have to work hard, but thanks to Levi's help, we'll be okay.
And what's the not so happy news?
I'm afraid that Dan will be gone for a long time.
World War II? Another one? They're saying we're heading into another one? I can't go through another one. My anxiety's bad enough as it is.
I'm afraid so, which means a lot of things will happen, meaning bigger trains, longer journeys, and even evacuation trains will be scheduled, along with some other problems, which is that even with Levi's help, it won't be enough. So, I'll try to see if any railways can loan their engines to help us out. If not, then we'll have to try. So until today, we will all be working hard. But the question is, are you all up for the challenge?
Shoot, I'll be up for it.
I'll do my very best.
I may be old, but I can still do anything. I'm in.
I don't see how you guys are being so calm about this. But I mean, well, somebody's gotta move those vans.
Well, me and Chug survived the first war. And surely we'll make it out on the next one.
Now that's a really useful engine. We'll all start tomorrow.